Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today we're going to be looking at the IDMix USB-C and wireless power magnetic Q10 Pro power bank for the iPhone. So work with any MagSafe iPhone. It also charges, like I said, USB-C devices, so you can also output power via the USB-C. It's got 18 watt USB-C input and 20 watt USB-C output, so fast charging for most of your devices. It also has 15 watts of wireless charging, power delivery 20, which again is for the USB-C, and it is a 10,000 milliamp hour capacity battery bank. So we're going to go ahead and unbox this. I do have my iPhone 15 Pro Max right here next to me, so we will snap it onto the back of that and take a look at it. While I open this up, this is on Amazon right now. It is $45.99 regular price. It is on sale for $41.99 right now. They do have a $5 coupon as well as a 5% off promo code. So a ton of discounts on this thing right now if you want to check one out for yourself. Let's just see if I can get it open here. There we go. It just slides out the top. Nice packaging. It is labeled there. You have your accessories up top there. You have your quick start guide, user manual right there. I'm not going to need that. We have the power bank itself right here. If you are coming from something like a MagSafe pack, it's a bit bigger than a MagSafe pack, a little bit thicker, but it is rounded. Very, very nice feel. You can see your MagSafe magnet alignment or arrangement right there. It is rubberized, so it doesn't scratch over the back of your iPhone. There's your USB-C port. We do have a little display right here, so we can see it's 76% charged. And cool thing about this is it also does have a stand, so you can stand this up with your iPhone on it and charge it that way and use it as a stand. So we'll put it on right there. As you can see, it does start charging. The iPhone does detect this as a MagSafe charger, not just a wireless charger, as you can see by the animation there. So there's what that looks like. It's not so heavy that it falls off. My case right here is the OtterBox Defender XT, which is a MagSafe compatible case. So this does support MagSafe accessories. It has the magnets in it. You can see I shake it. It does kind of turn a little bit if you violently shake it, but other than that, it does stay lined up with that magnet side to side, just with some light force. But day-to-day use, you can definitely use this on the back of your phone, and it's not going to fall off in just normal use. If you're holding it, it does make it quite a bit thicker, like you can see there. But I would feel comfortable holding my phone at least upright like this, just based on off the battery like that. But if you're going to be moving around too much, I would just kind of hold it with your hand like that. But again, you can stand it up, so nice accessory to keep if you're, maybe you're at a desk or something like that, at work, and you don't have access to maybe an outlet or want to carry a cable with you. You can very easily slip this into a pocket or a bag and pop it out, put it on your desk, and use it as a little charging stand, and then just keep this charged up when you get back home or in your car or whatever the case may be. So very, very nice. We'll take a look here at what else comes in the box. I'm guessing this is just going to be a cable. Let's see here. Yep, just a USB-C to C cable, it looks like, which I'm not going to unwrap, but yeah, just a little C to C cable there. You can use that for charging it or charging devices from this. Like I said, it does come with a USB-C port that does do power output. I'll just show you guys with the iPhone as well. Again, this supports 20 watts, so you can fast charge most devices. But there you go. You can see right there it is charging, and you can see again right here the little display, and it shows you it is fast charging right there via that green little symbol. So very nice little power bank. Again, 10,000 milliamp hours, so you should get probably about 2 charges of an iPhone 15 Pro Max out of it, depending on your use. But Nice little power bank right there. I will leave the link down below on in the description to where you can pick this up on Amazon. I am Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.